Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Knowledge. Myself Sanat. So guys, today's topic is catalytic converter, which is very important for IC engine subject. Okay, so what is basically a catalytic converter? Catalytic converter is a device, okay, the emission control device for an IC engine. Catalytic converter. So where actually it is located, first we see the location of this catalytic converter. Okay, first I draw a line diagram. So first is engine engine exhaust exhaust engine exhaust manifold. Next it goes to catalytic converter, then it goes to resonator, then a muffler is there, muffler, and then finally it goes to tailpipe. Okay, you can say this catalytic convert is situated in between the exhaust manifold and the silencer. Okay, so how it looks like? It looks like a cylindrical shape like this. Okay, so there is some many small tubes are there. I just draw two sections. The many small tubes are there. Okay, this is a honeycomb section which is made by some ceramic or metal. Okay, so these are the two sections where mainly two operations or two reactions we will perform to reduce the pollution or pollutant from toxic gases or harmful pollutant to a non harmful pollutant for the environment. Okay, so this is the outlet of exhaust gases, and this is the inlet from exhaust manifold. And what are the main pollutants here? You can say the hydrocarbons, carbon monoxides, and the oxides of NOx. Okay, and there is also some smoke and sulfur dioxide also. But with the help of catalytic converter we can reduce the harmfulness of these three. Okay, these three, or we can deal with these three only with the help of this catalytic converter. Okay, so there is basically two types of catalytic converter. One is the two-way catalytic converter and another is the three-way catalytic converter. In case of two-way catalytic converter, we will deal with this hydrocarbon and carbon monoxide only with the help of oxidation reaction. Okay, and in case of three-way catalytic converter, we will deal all these three pollutants, and these two is deal with the oxidation process, and NOx, oxides of nitrogen, is deal with the reduction process. So when these three is deal with the help of catalytic converter, then we call that thing is a three-way catalytic converter. And three-way catalytic converter is basically used in petrol engines maximum cases. So these are three. Okay, So we will discuss about the three-way catalytic converter here. So you just see there are two sections I draw here. This is a catalytic converter basically. So I draw a three-way catalytic converter here. So this is the structure of a catalytic converter. So this section, if you see the cross section of this part, it looks like this, and there are many tubes here. Okay, many tubes there. So the exhaust gases are passing through these tubes. Okay, and this tube is coated with some catalyst. So the oxidation and reduction process, some catalyst, metal catalysts are needed here. So metal catalysts are used in catalytic converter basically. So these two sections I draw here for this, one is for the reduction process and one is for the oxidation process. So I write here this portion here, oxidation process, oxidation process is done, and here reduction process is done. So in case of here reduction process, we know the oxygen is removed from this process. So when the NOx is passing through this NOx is converted into non-harmful nitrogen and oxygen. Okay, so this is basically the reduction process, and the main catalyst we are used here is the rhodium. Clear? So reduction process, in case of reduction process we deal with the NOx and oxygen is removed here. Reduction process, all we know the reduction process, and NO is converted into nitrogen and oxygen, and the main catalyst is here is the rhodium. And next the oxidation process, the CO, and CO means the carbon monoxide and hydrocarbon when passing through these pipes, through these tubes, then the hydrocarbon is converted into H2O and CO2, means water and carbon dioxide, and CO, carbon monoxide, is converted into carbon dioxide. Okay, so in oxidation process we are adding oxygen. Okay, so this, in this oxidation process, the main catalyst we are using here, platinum and palladium. Okay, so the main catalyst is here platinum and palladium. So with the help of this catalyst we are converting this harmful pollutants into a non-harmful pollutant, non-harmful actually parts. So this is very useful for the environment actually. The main motive of this thing is to pollute it less, as much as we can pollute our environment now. So this is the basic motive of all of us. So we are we are actually connected this type of device. So this is the main function of catalytic converter. Okay, so guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share these videos. Okay, bye.